Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Abdul Ibrahim. Today I'm going to show you how to change text case in Excel. As you can see, this is the text that we want to change to uppercase, and this text we want to change it to lowercase, and this text we want to change it to proper case. So before you change the case, you are going to select the cell that you want your change to happen. As you select this cell, so you are going to here and select formulas. Then you are going to find text. This is text, and click and select the types of case you want to change. Because this we are going to select the uppercase. This is uppercase. You click. After you click, you are going to select the text that you want to change. You are going to click, then you come back here and click OK. As you can see, we change our text to uppercase. Then to change the lowercase, I will show you another method. You click on that cell and click equal and type lower. As you can see, as you type lower, it just pop up. You just click on it, then you select the cell you want to change. You are going to select this cell, then you are going to close bracket, then press Ctrl Enter. As you can see, we change this case text to lowercase. As you can see, then to change this case text to proper case, you can equally go to formulas and click on text and find proper text. As you can see, this is proper. You click on it, then you select the text, then you come here and click OK. As you can see, this is proper text. This is proper text. So this is how to change text case in Excel. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.